Okay, we are starting the neuro and sense stem today. We've already done the puppies over here. So we're going to do the last 3 on video. So what we're doing is Medina's doing the head to tail right now. And we're doing this to have your puppies start using their brains. What most breeders do is just leave the puppies in with their mom the first 2 weeks and really hardly touch them at all except for when cleaning. What we're doing is having them experience different things right now, which gets their little brains working. And they also get different smells because of us. This is Adina's first day with them since they were born. And, oh, scent. Let's see, we'll use metal. So we're going to use the scissors because I forgot to bring something in here that has a scent on it. So what we're doing is we're using the metal. Metal has a definite smell. This probably isn't the best example, only because it doesn't have a really strong smell. But the puppies will smell. And the purpose for the scent training is letting them,
oh, sorry.
That's okay, is letting them, smell something other than what's inside of the whelping. He smelled it?
Yeah, he didn't like it.
Oh yes, this is my favorite one. Just because I like the pattern on it. I don't know if it's a boy or a girl. Is it a boy or a girl? It's a girl. We haven't named them yet. I'm waiting for callers. They haven't come in yet. They should come today, and we'll name them when Adina comes back. Adina likes helping name them. I'm going to give her another puppy. Okay. So we have 4 black and whites, 4 brown and whites. We have 3 females. 3 males and 5 females. Oops. Usually when you see them, when they get turned over upside down or on their back, you'll see them struggle a little bit. The back's not so bad, but when you usually point them down, that's when they get a little wiggly. He didn't.
No, a couple of them actually just laid there.
Lay there, yeah. It's funny because they'll start to walk.
Oh, yes, that. Oops. She's like, I didn't really like that. Well, she did smell it. Oh.
And this is another one I really like.
I love this one.
I love the pattern on her. It looks like a Jersey cow or something.
I know. That would be a cool name for you.
Really great face, Jersey. I know.
Jersey, that would be a really cool name.
This one's a brown and white. Look at that face. Both ears are black. Very white mask. Beautiful. Beth must be here.
Mm-hmm. He didn't move either. Oh, he just look at that face. He's so cute. Alright, let's get your toes.
Alright, I'm going to stop the video. Oh, you got a yawn. I'm going to stop the video only because it's getting kind of long. It's hard to post when they're long.